I didn't mean to shout like that today. And suddenly there was your voice coming out of my mouth. I saw the look you gave me when moved. You flinched. I've been staring at the tile since you walked out. The microwave still says 2:17. I swore I'd never be the one who screams. I swore I'd never sound like that. But then I'm tired and I'm hungry and I snap. And it's your voice coming out of my throat. I hate the way I sound. And I'm terrified this floor's hurt everything. I'm terrified that the cracks in these walls are all mine now. I learned to run the second I heard a door slam. Now I'm the one slamming it shut. It's not even your fault anymore. It's already moving before I know I'm turning into you. I look in the mirror and I see your chin, the same look right before I lose it. I thought if I left I would leave you behind. But you're in my suitcase, you're in my head. Half of me still listens for your key. Same silence after everyone left. I hit the bathroom light and caught my face. For a second I thought it was yours. Same silence after everyone left. Same look when something goes wrong. You looked at me the way I used to look at him. I didn't want this anger, I didn't ask for this way. But I'm the one standing in the doorway now. I'm the one making people leave. That's when you looked afraid. And I'm terrified this floor's hurt everything. I'm terrified that the cracks in these walls are all mine now. I learned to run the second I heard a door slam. Now I'm the one slamming it shut. It's not even your fault anymore. It's already moving before I know I'm turning into you. I'm not trying to be you, but I don't know who else to be, not yet. Just give me a minute. The kitchen floor is still cold. I'm still here.